Welcome to the Arduino Project Handbook. This video covers 25 practical projects to help you get started with microcontrollers. The Arduino is a small, programmable computer. It controls physical creations based on the code you write, turning digital instructions into physical action. Your imagination is the only limit to what you can create. Let's look at the anatomy of the Uno R3. The board manages power and data, interacting with components through specific pins, including the digital I/O pins and analog inputs. Breadboards are a prototyping canvas, connecting components without soldering. Internal metal rails route electricity, with an isolation trench dividing the board. You must power your Arduino safely. Choose between a computer connection via USB for 5 volts, ideal for writing code, or standalone power with a 9 volts battery pack for mobile and finished projects. The Arduino IDE is used to write sketches. These sketches tell the hardware what to do. The setup runs once to set pin modes, and the loop runs repeatedly, controlling the physical action. Components sense the world or change it. Inputs like push buttons and sensors gather data, while outputs like LEDs, buzzers, and LCD screens perform actions. You will master 25 distinct projects, with complexity scaling as your skills grow, moving from visual basics with LEDs to advanced raw microchips. Project 1 is the push-button circuit. The button controls the flow of electricity, and the resistor protects the LED from burning out. The Arduino measures the physical world using sensors. Examples include detecting soil moisture, humidity, and electromagnetic fields. The system creates physical responses. Servo motors rotate with precision for kinematics projects, and buzzers emit acoustic frequencies for audio projects. Advanced installations combine multiple systems for integrated security. A trigger input feeds into the Arduino logic, which dictates the automated action output. For the ultimate test, you can build your own board by wiring the raw microchip directly, eliminating the need for the commercial board. Organization prevents errors in your professional workspace. Always use the correct tools, like quality wire strippers and proper data cables, for electrical installations. The hardware is ready, and the code is written. The next step is to start building.